After a cracking sail from Ibiza to Mallorca, we visit the beautiful village of Sola, relax and fully put out our spinnaker for the very first time.
That makes me feel like I'm trying to combat flies or something.
We're Steve and Annette, a semi-retired couple who sold up everything to fulfil our dream of sailing the world, or as far as we can get. We spent 10 years planning to start our dream. In the end, you only ever regret the chances you didn't take.
There's Ibiza behind us, and just about see Mallorca.
The Mediterranean is renowned for its no-wind days and all-wind days. Our passage from Ibiza to Mallorca was fantastic. Having a yacht, there is nothing more magical than when you turn your engine off and the sails take you to your destination. The sound of the water parting, spraying and running down the boat, and to hear the wind in the sails is what sailing is all about. It's very easy to become complacent with your life and surroundings, and at times we are all guilty of that. There's nothing I love more than standing on the pulpit at the bow of the boat, and it's on days like this that I am reminded of the fantastic and wondrous life that Steve and I have. We are living our dream, even with all the ups and downs. It's a fantastic life. How beautiful. Imagine having that. I wouldn't want to keep walking up and down those steps, but
yeah, I still think those ones over there are better when they've got a flat area down the bottom.
Yeah.
A sunbed out.
Look at that one over there that goes into a cave, but they've put a ribbon across the bottom of it so she can't get up it. Steve looked up the price of houses in Mallorca, and the average two-bedroomed apartment is 350,000 euros. And there are hundreds of 1 million plus properties, but that would be like a shed to these properties here, so God knows how much these are. The bay we're coming into now is Cala de Santa Ponza, and we've come here to see what it's like. We're going to anchor up, and we've only come, well, not even quarter of a mile from the next Cala next door, but that didn't have any beaches in. We know that this one has, and as we've got family coming in 3 weeks, we thought we'd better come and have a look and see if we can anchor up in here and what it's like. There's also shops here, whereas there wasn't next door. Had a little bit too much sun today, so he has, which is going to be the reason why he's not talking.
Who has? Me?
Yes, you.
I am only sulking because you stamped on my best 99p glasses.
Yeah. Right, you left them in the most ridiculous place on the bloody companionway steps. Second step down, so you don't even get to see it. And I swear I was walking down those steps lightly. I don't know what made me walk down those steps lightly, but I did. But it was when you, I suppose, being only 99p, they're not likely to be very strong. They weren't the thickest of plastics, were they?
They were lightweight. They were lightweight travel glasses.
Tomorrow we're on the move. We're just going to move, I think. Just going to find another little anchorage where Steve can spend half the time looking at batteries and the issues that we're having with the batteries. Looks as if we're not going to be able to make it all the way to October. We've limped along at the moment and now we are struggling. Oh, I got out 2 chicken breasts. So what would you like me to do with them? I could do...
What I would like.
Oh, I'll tell you what I could do. I could do hunter's chicken. Do you know what hunter's chicken is? Don't look at me like that.
As long as it doesn't involve burnt.
Do you know what hunter's chicken is?
No. So, I've come to Mallorca.
No, no.
I didn't come here to be fed at a little chef.
A little chef?
That's where you get hunter's chicken from, little chef.
Don't be ridiculous.
I want chicken breast done in Provençal sauce, which I know we've got. New potatoes tossed with onion and garlic, and a side salad with some beautiful dressing.
We're just leaving Santa Ponca. We've been here for 9 days. We've got quite serious problems with the batteries, so Steve's been playing around with the batteries for, well, almost since we got them. And we have had we've had a quote for the starter battery and the windlass battery, and we've just applied to take out a mortgage to pay for those. And then we're just waiting for the house bank batteries, which are likely to be about 4 times more expensive than the other set of batteries that we've already got a quote for, so we might be giving up this sailing mark fairly soon. We think we're going to Sola today, but a lot depends on the wind. Got a bit of a breeze at the moment, which is good. So yeah, looking forward to a good day. Good day out on the water, and also looking forward to getting to Sola. Apparently it's beautiful. The other thing is that that's all we've got.
30s.
Yeah. What don't you like about it? Just the smell?
I don't like the smell. I like a suntan lotion to make me feel like I'm on holiday. That one doesn't. That makes me feel like I'm trying to combat flies or something.
It's nice and creamy there, Steve. All greased up now.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Got a couple of bottles of it down, so.
A couple of bottles of it?
Yeah. Why would I just buy one bottle?
I can't believe that you didn't lift the lid and sniff it and think it's...
Why would I lift the lid and sniff it, Steve? It's a suntan lotion.
Because suntan lotions are all about the smell.
Yep, and that smells fine.
It smells like I'm trying to repel flies. All they've got to do is make a suntan lotion, get a hold of Nivea and make it smell the same as Nivea, but not cost the same. That's all they've got to do. That's their only job. Not try and come up with a new smell. you can.
No, you
they
can't.
can't trademark the sniff. No, not interested.
Yeah. They're such pretty shorts, Steve. The idea of them was that you would keep them for the engine room only. How come they found themselves their way back onto you?
They're so comfortable.
They can't be. You can't do them up. That's why they're comfortable, because you can't do them up. Yes, 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 yes. But look at the colour of that water. We're in about 26 metres of water. I mean, we can't see the actual bottom, but you can see the difference when we go over rock or seagrass to the sandy bits, so we know where the bottom is. Just incredible. Unfortunately, we're not sailing because there's no damned wind. This is Dragonera Island on the, I think it's the northeast coast of Mallorca. I can see it, can you? So there's the head there, there's the first hump, there's the second, and then his tail. Seawater over each other, but we needed it. It was hot, or it is hot. We're about a mile from the shore, and we're going to Sola. It's got to be about 34 degrees. It's very, very hot, even right out here. We're not complaining. With the sound of music. Blimey. Have you seen out here? Beautiful. It's a bit rolly at the moment. And this is Sola. Wow, look. Looks like something from Austria. There aren't many anchorages that are well set up for boaters. In fact, sometimes you are openly discouraged or turned away from going ashore. But Sola Quayside is ideal for boaters, with a small pontoon set up so that you can leave your dinghy, rubbish bins at the end of the pontoon, and a small supermarket very nearby to buy you fresh bread.
Got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart up on my sleeve. Can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move, and I thought it's like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but I shouldn't make a fuss. Just stay next to me.
The port of Sola and the old town of Sola are linked by a train. Sola has only been accessible by rail since 1912. Prior to that, you could only approach by either boat or walking through and around the mountains.
Lovely, aren't
Old Town Sola is surrounded by the Tramontana Mountains. It is also full of narrow streets that are host to some fantastic architecture and quaint small artisan shops.
Something special about you. Lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee. I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl. Got the kick in every move, and I thought it's like a fool
1st of August today, and we're leaving Sola, the northern part of Mallorca, to go back down to the southern part of Mallorca again, because we got to order some batteries, house bank starter and windlass battery. One of those things that, whether we like it or not, we're going to have to purchase. We are limping along at the moment, but it's quite hard work. You need to get hold of that line, I think, and just unravel it a bit. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. See you in a fortnight. Adios.